right, so everyone might have a question of why is the master off the booster again? Well, Nick and Jimmy were over here trying to bleed the brakes. You know, good job, boys. And they were pumping, and they really weren't getting any fluid or pressure or anything. So, we discussed this before, like when we had, Burnsy, remember when we had Victor's Air one? And we were getting a little bit of fluid, but not a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So, I'm like, let me measure how far inside does this go. That's what she said.
Mm-hmm.
When you're with me, it doesn't go in very far, but hey, little pee-pee. Anyway, so where the push rod would go in the master to the flange here at the very edge, it's like 1 inch, 762 thousandths. So where that same little flange would mate, God, this is hard to shoot. Hold on, I gotta switch hands. So the same flange where it would meet the push rod here. All right, there is 603 thousandths. So you got over an inch of difference. So you know what that means? With the pedal, that's like moving the pedal 6 inches before it does anything. So, Mr. Burns, can you grab these? You're on camera, by the way. Can you grab my slidey? That's the nickname of that thing.
Yeah, that's a nasty weapon.
That baby is one beautiful thing. I love that freaking tool. My dad taught me how to use one of those when I was little. Like little.
You're still little.
Just my pee-pee. Alright, so we need a little wrench here. We can move this out. Also, what I've done before in the past, if there's not enough adjustment, I've been known to put like a little bolt or a little piece of all thread in the old hole back here to kind of close up that gap. So we could possibly do that too, which would probably actually be easier. If we had something that was maybe 800 thousandths or 900 thousandths, we could just stick it in the hole and then it'll close up that play. Oh, thanks, Bernsey.
Cool.
All right, so let's do that, huh?
You want to adjust that out?
Yeah, are you listening? You paying attention?
A little bit.
Because I'm videoing you looking at your phone when I'm trying to tell you what we're doing.
I'm listening. You said something about you playing with your little pee-pee.
Oh, Jesus. Well, at least you got that part. All right, so we're going to fill the hole. Ooh, daddy.